So here are how you can use Kindle Ranker to get keywords, categories, book ideas, and others for your book. So go to Google, type Kindle Ranker, then click. So if your mobile device, if you are not using laptop, if your mobile device is not on what do they call it, on desktop mode, that's desktop site, activate it. As you can see, mine is activated. It helps to give you a clearer view of what you want to say. So you can decide to sign up here, come down here and click sign up, but me, I'm not going to sign up. So I'm going to click on this place you are saying digital lessons. So I'm going to click here. I will type a word. Let me type okay, let me type business. For instance, my book is about business. Is maybe business is part of the title of the book, okay? Or maybe let's use love. Maybe love relationship is part of the word in your book title. I can say love and dating. Then I'll click on search. So here you have to scroll down. So this is where it gives you technical information related to the books about love and dating. So you can go through it. Then you move down to where you can see categories. So here are categories where you can find categories you can use for your book, okay? They didn't give me keywords for this. So here are also books, best-selling books on love and dating. So I'm going to select only love because I want to see their keywords. Okay, here are books on love. So here are related keywords you can use. So you can go through them, okay? You can go through them, pick them, the ones related to what you wrote on, put it in your Amazon book keywords. All right, so this is how you can do it.